Hi everybody, welcome to my presentation. My name is Jasmine and today I'm presenting a data visualization software which I developed as part of my dissertation project. The role was to be able to provide its users the ability to view data and report on it from scratch. The system basically contains three major parts. The first part is data entry. The second part is visualization, and the third part is customization and settings changes. From the first part, the system allows its user the ability to create manually data from scratch. Here, the user would have to be able to create a database and create a table and enter manually data into that table based on the specifications of the table and the data types he's looking for. However, this feature is for very novice users and it's very time consuming. That is why it has been decided that the best way will be to provide the user an advanced feature, which is data importation through CSV, Excel sheets, and data sources. So for this to happen, the user would have to come here and he would have to import data. So basically, all the user has to do is choose a file. For example, this is a sample Excel sheet, and here you would have to choose one database. Would have to choose products as a table, and then here the the data can be displayed on a data grid, and the user will be able to see what is stored on that data grid before storing the information in a database. As this data has been already saved, I'm not gonna repeat that, but once I click on the format here, once I click on the on which format I want, I can be able to set that into a database. Ultimately, the database also allows the system also allows the user the ability to export data. So here the user has the choice to be able to view which database he wants, and then he would be able to export it on an Excel sheet and an external the data grid, which will be stored on a data sheet in Excel. So this is in terms of data entry and exportation. The system also has the ability to provide the user the possibility to add manually data using data grid. Here you can be able to enter in a batch into a database. However, this is also time consuming. That's why the importation feature is more preferable compared to other facets of data entry. So this is the first part in terms of data entry. The second part of the system is data visualization. So in terms of reporting, what the system allows, we're using an ADO model. It allows the user the ability to select a product based from a table, and then be able to visualize that in a data grid and then on a chart. Here, the user has the ability to choose which products you would like to view. For example, here, if you choose which product name and the price, you will be able to see that. You will see able to check to see what is the discontinued price. You will see the data is dynamically viewed, and the user has this ability to choose whichever columns he wants to view. Ultimately, the system also allows the